This is the Lighting Educational Trainer, a complete training solution for studying automotive lighting systems. The unit is built with real vehicle components, including front and rear lights, brake lights, indicators, fog lights, number plate lights, and a 13-pin trailer socket. Every component is connected manually with external wires, giving students the opportunity to learn wiring from the ground up. Mounted on a mobile stand with wheels, the trainer is compact, durable, and ready for classroom use. To operate any light on this trainer, the student must connect the entire circuit manually. We begin by selecting the correct wires and following the wiring diagram. Each socket and terminal is clearly marked, just as in a real vehicle wiring system. The instructor first connects the power supply through the main switch and fuse protection. Next, the headlamp circuit is built, linking the headlight switch, relay, and front lamp units. Once complete, the headlight responds exactly as it would in a real car. Now the rear lights are added, including the tail lamps, brake lights, and number plate illumination. With every new connection, the student sees how each component depends on correct wiring and circuit protection. Indicators are then wired through the indicator switch and flasher relay, activating both left and right signals. The fog light and hazard warning switch are connected as well, demonstrating how auxiliary circuits integrate into the system. Throughout the process, students learn how to trace diagrams, identify connection points, and confirm correct wiring by observing the lights in action. Any incorrect wiring results in a circuit that does not function, reinforcing the importance of precision and careful analysis. With the trainer fully connected, all lighting functions operate as they would in a real vehicle. Students not only observe the results, but also build the system themselves, gaining a practical understanding of automotive electrical circuits. The Lighting Educational Trainer, a powerful and effective tool for mastering vehicle wiring and lighting systems.